amidst the project, rock the coffin, while it's rocking, rock the solo. Peacefully, the software comes to conquerors, accomplishing the body that has returned to its original realm. One would place memories of a world full of hope and sadness, on it bright with hope, so that eternal peace will be a place of rest. Silence of the night, faithful witness. In silence, prayers for infinity. This coffin, a voyage towards eternity, without touching the mortal world anymore. Funeral coffin, funeral coffin, funeral coffin, funeral coffin, funeral coffin. Funeral coffin, funeral coffin. In the midst of silence, the coffin lies, wrapped in cloth, the soul lies